The cryptocurrency market is still showing a crazy amount of strength, especially with Donald Trump now announcing the crypto strategic reserve. We will see a strong bounce on Bitcoin, especially with our long-term indicators telling us that 2025 is going to be the most bullish year ever. And that's why in today's video, I'm actually focusing on one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges where you're also able to trade meme coins, and they have one of their biggest announcements right now. If you do enjoy today's video, don't forget to smash the like and subscribe. MEXC is one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges available right now. They even have access to meme coin trading, which I'll go over with you later on in the video. Right now, you can seize the markets. They have a massive $8 million prize pool in USDT. It's available to register right now, and it actually closes in just over 7 days time. You get the unlocked prize pool of over $1 million right now, but as more participants actually enter, the overall prize pool increases to a maximum of 8 million USDT. They have a daily lucky spin where you can win up to 350,000 USDT. They have a daily challenge reward with over 300,000 USDT as well. 250,000 in the daily futures trading volume leaderboard, and the futures P&L leaderboard 100,000. I'll make sure to leave the link in this video description and comment section for MEXC to sign up to actually jump on this massive offer currently happening right now. MEXC has partnered with me for this video, and they're offering you some big rewards. Here you'll be able to track all of your statistics as you're trading. And in the event arena, most importantly, they have their daily lucky spin where you can grab futures bonus worth 35% of the total prize pool. So right here, today's prize pool is $25,000 with more than $24,500 remaining. You can see they have the draw where you're able to win a variety of different prizes, and you can even go over the winning history to see other people and what they've actually won in the past. Participation criteria, so you can go over everything: when the event starts, when the event ends, who's eligible, the eligible trading pairs like USDC and USDT. What are the eligible trading pairs? So all perpetual futures are available, and all the different rules as well. So you could go through those to ensure you have the best opportunity to actually jump into this massive prize pool. And don't forget that the registration does close in 7 days time. I'll leave the link to sign up in this video description. We've also got different rewards like the daily checkpoint reward, where you share the daily checkpoint rewards worth 30% of prize pool in futures bonus. First come, first serve. So here's today's prize pool. We have the daily futures trading volume ranking. So here you can win 25% of that. We also have the futures P&L leaderboard as well. So don't forget that here the futures P&L leaderboard reward shares 10% in the total prize pool. So here you can see 100,000. You can see the current rankings right now. Some people up over $149,000, some up 70,000, 69,000. You can see their total trading volume in USDT. So to make 149,000, they basically traded $164 million. You can see their estimated reward. So here this user would win 20,000 of the total $100,000 reward, so taking 20% of that. Then second place 16,000, third place 12,000, and actually scaling down. You can see some users actually having more of a prize pool. Looks like because they're actually trading a lot more in volume. You can see this guy 13 million in volume compared to here actually at 1.7 million in volume, where others also trading volume crazy $40 million in trading volume for participating in all these prizes. Plus, don't forget here on MEXC, you can come to the top and we have access to the futures trading. We also have access to normal perpetual trading. We also have access to spot trading. So we can come over and actually trade a pair like Solana Obviously, Solana being the king of meme coins, so we can track everything like the current order book. We can even use limit, market, trigger orders, so we have different opportunities. We can put stop losses, we can put our take profit. So not only can we market order, but then we can set up where we want to get in and where we want to get out of our trades. You can see the overall fee level, so quite small, 0.01 on the maker and 0.04 on the taker. Taker basically meaning when you market executing, and limit order basically being the maker because you're actually making the market overall. Then we also have access to all the different coins, so we can click here and even go over some potential meme coins. So we could go over here and see we've got this ecosystem of meme coins. We go over Fartcoin, Dogecoin, Pepe, all these different coins. So let's just jump over to Fartcoin. We have the opportunity to trade all these meme coins here on a centralized exchange. Normally you'd be trading a lot of these meme coins on, say, a decentralized exchange, but here you actually get the opportunity to be able to trade on a centralized exchange. And what that does give you is the opportunity to also trade with leverage. See, on normal meme coin decentralized exchanges, you wouldn't be able to trade with 20x leverage, but it looks like here you might actually be able to trade Fartcoin with a different amount of leverage, so it gives you access to more capital and more trading potential. Here looks like Fartcoin is basically ranging. Changes over to the 1 day time frame, really looking for some opportunities. One of my favorite things to do is actually add the exponential moving average to the chart. So you can see here we have a moving average, so I can actually delete that, so we'll get rid of that. Then we'll come over here to indicators, then we can see EMA, so we'll click on EMA, and I really like, so let's click here. Let's turn these off. So if you've been watching a lot of my videos in the past, you know I really like the 20 exponential moving average. Let's actually make this one the 20 because I like this color. It's usually my color, and confirm. So we've now got the 20 exponential moving average, and you can even see what price is currently doing is basically rejecting off of the prices. What we do need to wait for is a strong break above. We need to wait for that break pattern, actually making that stair-stepping pattern, bullish push to the upside. But right now, overall on meme coins, we are coming into a bit of a depressed price, but there is a lot of bullish potential, especially with the Solana ETF coming out. That's really going to give a lot of strength to the overall backbone of the ecosystem for meme coins. So really gives you the opportunity to trade all these different pairs here on MEXC. One cool thing is here you can see a new listing, SZN USDT trading is live now. So we can actually jump over to this particular pair and actually have a look. So you get all the latest and all the newest listings. You get the assessment zone instructions. So we'll probably have to accept those. We even got a risk disclaimer. So this is by trading meme plus pairs. So accept, and there we go. So here, this literally just listed only a few minutes ago. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like 6 minutes ago. So there's a lot of opportunities, and you're also getting them telling you when these meme coin opportunities are listing, are moving from decentralized exchanges and actually listing on these centralized exchanges. Here's when there's a lot of opportunity, because you can see even in the first candle, basically up over 60% on the first candle, because there's so much demand as soon as you launch on exchanges like MEXC. There's a lot of demand. There's a lot of users that can now actually get into meme coins because they don't even know how to trade them on decentralized exchanges like Radium or using Dex Screener or something like that. Whereas here, as soon as they launch on MEXC, you've got a large pool of traders that can now trade these different meme coins, and it gives a massive boost in liquidity, massive boost in price, and obviously the market cap then follows. So there we have it for MEXC. You can see their current trading challenge registering for the next 7 days. It is available, so don't forget to use the link in the video description to jump on that trading opportunity. And also right now, I'll be going through and looking at some potential meme coin opportunities and seeing how I can take advantage of this crypto bull market of 2025. If you have enjoyed today's video, don't forget to smash the like and subscribe. I'll be seeing you in the next one.